Welcome back to the channel, guys. To those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you've not yet subscribed, guys, make sure you do all to click on the subscribe button, like and share. Make sure you make your comments and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop 1 or 2 updates, you would not miss out on any single updates. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So now, guys, let's take a look at what we're going to be expecting for the week on our gold. So first, we need to follow these two things. I want you guys to pay attention to this movement. When you take a look at this, your gold, we did a prediction on gold last week. If you've not watched the analysis we did last week or our prediction that we did last week, go back to the channel and watch it. You'll be able to see. Our prediction for last week was that gold will give us a bearish move for the week, and gold did give us that bearish move. Gold eventually opened and closed bearish. So you can see that 90% of our analysis, 90% of our prediction is always correct. So this is one of the reasons why you need to subscribe and follow us so that you will not miss out on more updates. Now, if you take a look at this, market opened and closed bearish right here, right? Market also opened and closed bearish, right? Market opened and closed bearish right here. Market also opened and closed bearish. So this is week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, 5, and this is week 6. So for good 6 weeks, straight 6 weeks, right? Markets opened and closed bearish. Reason is due to the fact that gold is on a downtrend move. We are very much on a downtrend move. Gold is bearish. So this is one of the reasons why gold is on a bearish move. So if you would want to make a lot on this gold trade, one thing you should be looking out for, or one thing you should be looking to do, is to go in for the sell. The sell is where you are definitely going to grab in a lot of profits on this movement. Now, guys, pay attention to this movement. Let's drop down to our daily time frame. This is it, trending downward, right? This can be seen as our lower low, and this is the lower high. This can also be seen as the new lower low. Here comes the lower high, right? Market was able to drop again to form a new lower low, and this is our lower high, right? Market eventually drop again to form a new lower low, and here comes the lower high. Market eventually drop massively. You can see it dropped massively to give us a new lower low, and this was the lower high market eventually did give us. You know, I said it previously that after this is the lower high, this can be seen as an equal lower high, right? So this is an equal lower high. So we should be expecting market to drop. So it is able to completely take out this low. So now if you take a look at market is dropping. So market has given us about, you can see it's about 19,000, right? If you are gone in on the sell, so you would have grabbed between 90,000, right, pips, between 90, let's say 1,929. So basically it is 1,000 pips plus, let's approximately to 2,000 pips. So you would have made about 2,000 pips on this gold. So now, is this movement over? Definitely not. This movement is not over. So we will be expecting more movement downward. So basically we'll be expecting gold to still drop more so it is able to take out this low. So basically there's also a potential 1,500 pips to be made on your gold. So this is for swing traders. The best thing you can do is to go in for the sell and put your sell position. Let's drop down to our forward time frame right here, guys. This is a multiple rejection zone. First rejection, second rejection, which made market to drop to take the neckline, right? It took out the neckline. Now this is the pullback that market did give us, and here comes a massive low, which is our lower low. This is also the lower high. Now we will be expecting market to continue that drop, right? We will be expecting to continue the drop. It is able to take out this low, thereby giving us a new lower low. So all we can say is that a sell is what we'll be expecting for the week on gold. If there will be any changes to this prediction that we just did, I'll make sure I do the updates and let you guys know. So make sure you subscribe in order for you not to miss out on the updates. Like and share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section.